Okay, welcome to my tutorial on how to build a WordPress website from scratch. There will be several videos to this tutorial. This is the first one. Once you've installed WordPress on your hosting, log into the WordPress, which is pretty easy. You basically do this. You go in here, WordPress-admin. You'd have probably set up a password and a user, etc. Once you've done that, you log in and you come to this page. Now the first thing you should do is go to the settings area and go in your general tab and make sure you get your site title, obviously, tagline. This is something to explain your company, whatever it is you're creating the website for, and then you would put your email address and language, time zones, etc, etc. And then on the writing section you would just go in here and basically just fill in all this here as well. Don't worry too much about that when I was setting up my website initially. Reading area, you would go in here and you would select if it's a static page or it's a blog website basically. So a static page would be your general basic website that you see every day, and whereas that would be a blog, your posts. So what you would do is you would tick this box here if you were starting to build your website and you don't want the search engines to crawl your site, which is a good option when you're starting out because you don't want your site indexed, especially if it's not finished. And I would recommend downloading some kind of maintenance plugin, which you can find under plugins. Click on that and then you can do add new, and here you can search for instance, maintenance. Coming soon, for example, you could download that, install it, and you can basically, there's a pop-up page that will just take users to that if you don't want people to see your website before it's completed. Okay, so this is the first part of many videos that I will create, and be ready for the next one because the next one's getting more interesting. It's installing your theme, and click and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.